Are you unsure on where to start when choosing curtains? So today we've put together an easy video to show you exactly what you need and what you need to know when updating your home. So there are lots of different types of fabrics when choosing curtains, depending on your style of home and your personality. So you could opt for a velvet, a linen, or a voile. We're going to go through them now. So velvet is a great fabric for curtains. It can come in plain designs or patterns. Patterns really pop because of the opulence of the fabric, and it is really a luxury choice when using it for curtains. It does bring warmth and coziness to a room, and it looks great in sort of a pinch pleat, long drop style. The cotton fabrics are a great option for curtains because they're lightweight and versatile. There are thousands of designs to choose from, and it's a very cost-effective way of updating your home. So linen is a great option for curtains if you're looking for more of a relaxed look. Linen comes in a variety of weights, from heavy to lightweight, and it's also great if you're looking for something more natural because it has a natural slub in the weave. Linens come in stripes, it can come in a spot, a floral or a plain, so it's a really great choice for curtains. Wool fabrics are great for curtains because it's naturally insulating, so it will keep the room really warm and cosy. Typically wools can be tartans, but there's also herringbones and plains, so it's a great choice for a traditional home. You would choose a voile fabric for your curtains if you're looking to add a layer of privacy. So typically you'd have your main fabric as a curtain, and then behind that the voile will sit. This could be in a lounge area or a kitchen where you just want an extra bit of privacy at the window. Voile fabrics hang really lovely on a track. They can come in plain or pattern fabrics, and it creates a really luxurious look at the window. Tapestry fabrics are a great option for your curtains because they come in a variety of designs. We have traditional floral fabrics and then the more contemporary geometrics, and it really does make a bold statement at your window. Now that you've chosen your fabric, it's now time to consider your lining options. If you have a bedroom, we recommend to have a blackout lining, but if you have a living space, we recommend a thermal. This means in the colder months it keeps the warmth in, and the warmer months it keeps the heat out. Now you need to look at the curtain headings and which ones are right for you. Choosing the right heading is really personal preference, and we have lots of headings to choose from. You could have a pencil pleat, a pinch pleat, wave heading, or eyelet heading. If you have a more contemporary home, you could opt for the wave heading on a track, or you could have the eyelet heading. These are really great for modern contemporary homes. If you prefer a more traditional setting, you could have the pencil pleat or the pinch pleat, which comes in double or triple. Depending on the location of your curtains in your home, you need to consider the length of the curtains. Are they going to go down to the floor? Are they going to measure to the sill? Or are you going to have a puddle on the floor? Now that you've chosen your fabric, lining, heading and drop, you can get measuring. If you're unsure on how to do this, head to our website for useful measuring guides. But if you're still unsure, you can book a virtual appointment with our home consultants to go through this. Now you should have all the information to find the perfect curtains for your home. Head to our website to find thousands of curtain fabrics on offer.